I want our kids to be excellent, and I don't just mean that like in an academic sense. Of course, we want academic excellence, but I want them to be rooted and anchored in who they are and know that they can be great.
Not sufficient. It's Rapping Friday. Go to your table. Y'all ready for me to start rapping again? Shoe check, baby.
Yeah, what I really appreciate about my faculty is the way that we are constantly trying to emphasize the idea of a growth mindset for our kids.
They finish their work. Students are then even asked to reflect on the work that they've done.
I'm just gonna use words. I'm gonna just say accountable culture, but trustworthy.
Carylwood got 5 stars in GAP closing last year, which really speaks to the dedication of our team. I'm a big fan of the book Atomic Habits, and how do we make a small incremental change that helps us leverage who we want to be and who we are to get to like kind of where we want to be ultimately.